Wow, that sounds pretty good. Very good overall sound. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It came fully charged. These are the Btootos headphones here. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. They're 5.4 Bluetooth, noise cancellation mic, IP7 waterproof. My first test is to always just take them out, shove them in my ear, and see how hard it is to actually get it to connect to my phone. I literally put them in, and they're very easy. Just pull them out like this, put them in there. I put them in, said pairing. I have a Samsung 23 Ultra. I just went into my phone. I went into settings. I went right to connections, turned the scan on. At the very bottom, it came up and it said A90 Pro. I clicked that and we were good to go. Then I just turned on some music. Sounds really good. I did a call to make sure that I could hear well, that it sounded good to the person listening. For the price, these are really, really good. It takes about an hour and a half to charge, giving you 6 to 8 hours of time. It's very easy to use. You'll see there's that little dot right there, and that's actually what you're going to tap to turn it on, turn your volume on. It's actually very easy. Check these out. I do not think you're going to be disappointed.